Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I would like to discuss one of the important topic, that is e-contract. This topic comes from chapter 1 Contract Act Basic Concepts, and this is your lecture number 1, and this topic already comes in June 2017 examinations, carries 5 marks. So very important for your examination point of view. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first, the meaning of e-contract. As the name suggests, e-contract means electronic contract. This is different from old contract, traditional contract, because when two persons comes to make a agreement or contract, they do so with electronic forms, okay, or digital means. So e-contract means electronic contract. Then in case of e-contract, there are no need to produce physical documents. You just need to accept the conditions, term and conditions through electronic means. Like when you go to purchase any items through online, you just need to accept the term and conditions, or you have to accept the OK button. When you accept the term and condition, that means you agreed with the term and condition of the company to purchase such product. So this is called electronic contract, where physical documents not required, or you don't need to meet physically. Then e-contract is one type of electronic form, means acceptance of receipt done through electronic means or through internet. Then change of technology and legal requirements lead the contract to be in electronic form, as rapid industrialization and the rapid change of technology, e-contract play a significant role, comes to a significant role. Then e-contract modeled, specified, executed and deployed by a software system, means by through a computer, happens through computer. E-contract conceptually very similar to old contract, traditional contract, but the domain of contract is different from old contract, because in case of e-contract you just sit one place and purchase items from different place with just accepting the term and conditions by internet. Okay, so the domain of contract is different, place is different as compared with old contract. Also requires the basic element of a contract as like traditional contract. ट्रेडिशनल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में जो भी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट होता था, इन केस ऑफ ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑल्सो वही सब रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, बट स्पीड एंड एफिशिएंसी ज़्यादा होता है ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में. 24 आवर्स ओपन रहता है ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एज कम्पेयर विथ ओल्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. स्पीड एंड एफिशिएंसी इज वेरी हैवी इन केस ऑफ ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, दो प्रोसीड्योर आर डिफरेंट. देन what are the ingredients of the e-contract? First, an offer is to be made. पहले तो ऑफर होना चाहिए. Then offer is to be accepted. Then have to accept the offer between the two persons through internet. Then there shall be a lawful concession. ऐसा नहीं है कि illegal concession हो. That shall be lawful concession. There shall be an intention to create legal relations. Legal relation करना है. The parties must be competent to contract. Both the parties must be competent to make contract through electronic means. There must be free and genuine consent. Free and genuine consent होना चाहिए. The object of the contract must be lawful. The object of the contract must be lawful होना चाहिए. Okay, then there must be certainty and possibility of performance. ट्रेडिशनल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स होता था ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में भी वही सेम टू सेम. एन ऑफर इज टू बी मेड, ऑफर एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. देन लॉफुल कंसिडरेशन होना चाहिए. ऑफर हैज टू बी मेड, ऑफर हैज टू बी एक्सेप्टेड, लॉफुल कंसिडरेशन, इंटेंशन टू क्रिएट लीगल रिलेशंस, कॉम्पिटेंट टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, पार्टी जो है वो कॉम्पिटेंट होना चाहिए. देयर मस्ट बी फ्री एंड जेन्युइन कंसेंट होना चाहिए. एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मस्ट बी लॉफुल एंड देयर मस्ट बी सर्टेनिटी एंड पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस. So these are the ingredients of e-contract. So as you know that e-contract is one type of electronic contract, or you can say digital contract or internet. Digital means, or you can say internet. Alright. The example are e-commerce and email, acceptance of offer through email and sending confirmation through email. This is called electronic contract, and where we don't need to produce any physical documents, and this is happens or done through electronic form. And due to the requirement of legal requirement or change of technology, e-contract come into play. Then it's model specified, executed and deployed by a software system, means computer. Conceptually very similar to traditional commercial contract, but the difference is the domain of contract is different, and speed efficiency is also different as compared with old contract. 24 hours open रहता है e contract, which is not possible by old contract, traditional commercial contract. And also form of contract are different. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का फॉर्म डिफरेंट होता है. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म में क्या होता है और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में क्या होता है, आपको टर्म एंड कंडीशन को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है थ्रू इंटरनेट. ओके. प्रोसीजर ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स द बेसिक एलिमेंट ऑफ ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एज लाइक ट्रेडिशनल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. जो भी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट होता था ओल्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ओल्ड कमर्शियल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में, वही सब रिक्वायरमेंट होगा ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में. एंड व्हाट आर ingredients of the e-contract? As we know that offer is to be made, offer is to be accepted, there should be lawful consideration and intention to create legal relations. Parties must be competent to contract, both the parties must be competent to contract. There must be free and genuine consent. The object of the contract must be lawful. There must be certainty and possibility of performance. So this is it all about e-contract. You just need to remember all the important points, revise them as many times as possible, and if you like my videos then hit the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.